Hey, today we're in the classroom. We're going to video the actual multimeter. We've got some of the students that's volunteered their time for you. We're going to start on board 1 here, and Gavin's going to do the reading. It's going to come up on the meter. For some reason, Gavin, I can't see that. Let's trade places with the meter and the board. It might be easier to make out. Okay, we're on board 1, the first meter reading. You have what, 0.62?
6.2.
You have 6.2. Okay. On the second resistor, we've got 56.5. On the third resistor, he's got to adjust it. He's got a multimeter that he has to adjust. On the third one, he's getting 3.28, and on the fourth one, he's got to adjust again. He's got 47.5. Okay, so there's your first board. Let's go to board 2. Got Matthew and Justin are going to help us. The first resistor, you're going to check it, and I'm going to show you the reading. He's got 8, hold it steady. Let me sneak your meter on the other side. There you go. So I don't have to push it. So this is board 2. The first one is reading 0.848 M. 0.848 M. Okay, go to the second one. Second resistor on board 2 reads, he's shaky today.
Yeah.
It's okay, take your time. 56.7, okay. Resistor 3 on board 2 is reading you may want to flatten your tips out on there. Yeah, just hold them. Try different. Sometimes you have to try different ways with the meters to get comfortable. 56.4 K. All right. Okay, let's go to the last one. This is resistor 4 on board 2. Is 2.217 K ohms. All right. Now we're going to go over to board 3. We got it set up. We got resistor 1 on board 3, 0.579 M ohms. Resistor 2, 67.7 ohms. Resistor 3 on board 3. Make some contact.
Oh wait, I'm on the phone.
It's okay. You got 5.57 K ohms, and resistor 4 on board 3 you have 39.34 K ohms. Okay, now remember, the K is 1,000, the M is million. So if you had a 0.579 M, that would be 500, or what would that be, guys? 0.579. Who had that one? That had the mill. This, we can show this one sheet on here at the bottom. The resistor value was 820,000. The meter read 0.849 million. So that would actually be 1 million would be 1,000,000. 0.849 would be 849,000. To give you an idea. So take this information, and you can also calculate the min and the max. This was one of the examples. It was a 560,000 resistor. We multiplied it by the gold band, which is 5%. That was 28,000. We took the resistor value. We added 28,000. That would be the high end would be 588, and the low end would subtract it would be 532, and the number actually ended up to be 579 M, or 579,000, which fell between the min and the max range. So if you have any other questions, you may refer back to the videos from block 15 and 16.